This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious rose mojito at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. Don't forget sparkling water or club soda for fizz, and plenty of ice. Having fresh rose petals for garnish is a lovely touch. Now, let's mix it up. Place your mint leaves and 4 to 6 lime wedges into a sturdy glass. Gently muddle them together to release their aromatic oils and juice, but avoid over-muddling. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. Fill your glass completely with ice, then top it off with sparkling water or club soda for that refreshing effervescence. Once your glass is full, give your mojito a gentle stir to ensure all the flavors are well combined. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your drink with a few fresh rose petals and a thin lime wheel. A sprig of mint also adds a nice touch. Serve your homemade rose mojito immediately to enjoy its crisp, floral, and refreshing taste at its peak. For the perfect rose mojito, always use the freshest ingredients. Quality mint and ripe limes make a huge difference. Feel free to adjust the amount of rose syrup to your personal taste, adding more for a sweeter drink or less for a more tart one. You can also experiment with different sparkling waters. For a refreshing twist, consider adding a splash of cranberry juice. And speaking of staying refreshed, check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.